Who did it? Was it her? Was it them? It was the butler who stole the ring. It was the jealousy that left its sting. It wasn't me who told the lie. It was the pressure that made me cry. Isolating the subject, putting it first. It was the waiting that hurt the worst. It is the truth that sets you free. It was my brother who rescued me. It's in London where we met. It was that night I can't forget. It be element, relative clash, breaking the silence, breaking laws. It was John who called the police. It was the treaty that brought the peace. It wasn't the money that I desired. It was the passion that lit the fire. It is today that we must decide. It was the secret I tried to hide. It is the truth that sets you free. It was my brother who rescued me. It's in London where we met. It was that night I can't forget. It be Eleanor, Healy, Clutch, breaking the silence, breaking law. It was then that I knew it was because of you I stayed. It was only when I saw him, emphasis on the agent. It was him. It was her, it was us, it is love. It was him, it was her.